Let's think about the following scenario. You're the CEO of a company and give an employee access to a document in Office 365. They have the ability to edit the document and share it to whoever they want. Without restrictions, they can share it randomly and externally. According to Statista.com, in 2021, 74% of respondents representing a large company from the United States indicated that their company had experienced a data breach. Similar increases in data breaches were found in smaller businesses and in Canada. Data breaches can significantly impact a company's future, especially as it becomes more common with time. You will never want valuable company data to be exposed to random strangers. So, here are 4 ways to prevent data breaches and securely store data in Office 365.
Setting up conditional access is a reliable way to restrict access to data. To get started, do the following. First, sign in to the Azure portal with an admin account of your organization. Click on Azure Active Directory. Select Security, and click on Conditional Access. Hit New Policy and create a new policy from a template. These are the presets that you can choose from. Select one, and then name your policy. Create the policy. Now click on the name of the policy and click on Users or Workload Identities. You can now select which users and groups are going to be impacted by the policy. Restricting IP addresses prevents unauthorized and external users from accessing your organization's cloud. To set up these restrictions, do the following. Sign into your organization's SharePoint Admin Center. On the left sidebar, select the Policies dropdown and click on Access Control. Click on Network Location and enable Allow Access only from specific IP address ranges. Specify the IP addresses or IP address range of users in your organization. Users outside of the organization will no longer be able to access your cloud. We've restricted unauthorized users from accessing the cloud, but data can still be shared with them. Luckily, Office 365 offers tools to prevent the sharing of files with external users. To prevent external sharing, sign into your organization's SharePoint Admin Center. On the left sidebar, click on the Policies dropdown and click on Sharing. Move the setting for both OneDrive and SharePoint all the way down to only people in your organization. External sharing is no longer allowed in your organization. One last method of maintaining data security is file tracking. It is possible to keep track of document activities through the audit log in the Compliance Center. In order to access file tracking, first sign into the Compliance Center with an admin account. Click Audit on the left and configure your wanted search criteria. This criteria is helpful in focusing your search results. You can enter things such as start and end dates of the search, specific document activities, users, and the storage location of the file. Once the search criteria is configured, click Search. All the results will be displayed alongside the IP address used to access the file. This is an effective way of supervising document access across an entire organization. With these 4 preventative measures, your data is guaranteed to be securely stored in Office 365. For further advice and a more in-depth review of your Office 365 tenant, contact us at tetherview.com.